Hello, old friends. Today we are making crispy potato balls with Doritos. Detailed material list is available in the video description. We mash our boiled potatoes well. We add salt, we add breadcrumbs, cornstarch, and egg yolk. We pass our Doritos through the blender and add it to our mixture. We take our mixture in our hands and add cheese to it. Then we roll it up nicely. We dip it in egg white and breadcrumbs. We cook it in hot oil until it is thoroughly browned. Our crispy potato balls are ready. Bon appetit to everyone who will try it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.